Russia's ambitious effort to build its first domestically produced serial high-speed train has reached another important milestone. On July 6, 2026, officials confirmed that work on the country's next-generation high-speed rail program remains firmly on schedule. Assembly is proceeding on the first 3 train sets of the Gryphon Project, which will operate on the future Moscow to St. Petersburg high-speed railway. Welcome back to Altitude Addicts, where we track the world's most massive engineering leaps from the ground up. Today, we are deep diving into Russia's brand new bullet train project that aims to hit 400 kilometers per hour. We will cover the factory secrets, the intense 91-point certification process, and the hidden timeline challenges, so make sure to watch until the very end. Unlike previous concepts and prototypes, the Gryphon Project has now entered full-scale industrial production. Assembly is underway at the Ural Locomotives manufacturing facility in Verkhnyaya Pyshma, near Yekaterinburg. This marks an important phase toward establishing Russia's own high-speed rail manufacturing capability. Each Griffon train set will consist of 8 passenger cars. Production activities are progressing simultaneously across multiple stages of manufacturing. Looking closely at how the first 2 train sets are nearing completion, the project has made big progress since production began earlier this year. According to the latest update, 12 of the 16 cars required for these 2 train sets have already been welded and painted. These cars have now entered the preliminary assembly stage, where internal systems and major structural components are gradually being installed. All right, let's step back for a second and look at the raw reality here, because building these things isn't just about bending metal. The remaining 4 cars needed to complete the first 2 trains are currently being assembled on production jigs. This is happening while manufacturers continue fabricating large structural modules and other major components. At the same time, production has already begun on the 3rd Griffon train set. The first 2 carriages of this train are now under construction. This allows manufacturing teams to maintain continuous production as work advances towards serial output. The coordinated assembly of multiple train sets demonstrates that the program has transitioned beyond prototype development into an organized manufacturing process. This brings us right into how certification progress continues alongside manufacturing, showing that building the trains is only one component of the overall program. Engineers must also certify every major system and component before the Griffon trains can enter passenger service. In total, the project requires certification of 91 separate components. This spans everything from propulsion systems and braking equipment to onboard electronics, safety systems, passenger amenities, and structural assemblies. So far, 6 components have completed certification, while another 74 are currently undergoing testing. These extensive validation efforts are designed to ensure every system meets Russia's safety and operational requirements before the trains begin service. So look, 74 components still in the testing phase is a pretty heavy backlog, if you ask me. Although certification represents a significant workload running in parallel with production, project representatives say both manufacturing and testing remain aligned with the planned schedule. Stick around, because up next, we are uncovering the extreme engineering behind the 400 km/h speed capabilities and the brand new mega factory being built exclusively for this fleet. You definitely do not want to miss how they plan to pull this off. This design for speeds of up to 400 km/h represents Russia's first domestically developed serial high-speed train. It is designed specifically for dedicated high-speed rail operations. The train is engineered for maximum speeds of up to 400 km/h. This places it among the world's fastest conventional steel wheel high-speed trains. While regular commercial operating speeds are expected to be lower than the design maximum, the capability provides sufficient performance for rapid intercity travel on Russia's future high-speed network. The Griffon trains are being developed particularly for the new Moscow to St. Petersburg high-speed railway. This is a purpose-built corridor that will become Russia's first dedicated high-speed rail line. Here is the thing. Unlike conventional railway upgrades, this new route is being built as an entirely separate high-speed infrastructure. It is capable of supporting much higher operating speeds than existing rail lines. This setup leads directly to when the first test trains are expected in 2027. Russia first announced that assembly of the inaugural Gryphon train had begun in February 2026, marking the transition from design and engineering into physical production. The current schedule calls for the first 2 completed train sets to begin dynamic and certification testing during 2027. These trials will evaluate every aspect of the train's performance, including acceleration, braking, ride quality, energy consumption, safety systems, and operation at progressively higher velocities. Successful completion of this testing will be essential before the trains receive approval for commercial passenger operations. The testing campaign will also validate how the trains perform on dedicated high-speed infrastructure and confirm that they satisfy all operational requirements before entering regular service. Now, let's take a quick breather from all these technical testing metrics and look at the sheer scale of the industrial footprint. To support long-term production of the Griffon fleet, Russia is simultaneously building a new manufacturing facility dedicated to high-speed train production. Don't go anywhere just yet, because coming up in the final stretch, we are diving into the exact mass order numbers and the major hurdles Russia must overcome to meet its 2030 deadline. Here at Altitude Addicts, we closely follow these massive build-outs. Construction of the plant is progressing alongside train assembly, with the factory expected to begin operations around the turn of 2026 to 2027. Once operational, the new facility will become the country's primary production center for serial high-speed trains. This will enable larger-scale manufacturing beyond the initial train sets presently being assembled. The parallel development of production facilities and rolling stock reflects Russia's broader strategy of establishing an integrated domestic high-speed rail industry. They want this rather than relying on imported train technology. With 43 train sets already ordered, demand for the Gryphon Project is already substantial. Authorities have placed orders for 43 8-car train sets, all scheduled for delivery by the end of 2030. These trains will form the initial fleet serving the Moscow to St. Petersburg high-speed railway. This route is expected to become the backbone of Russia's future high-speed rail network. Meeting this production target will require continuous manufacturing over the coming years. This underscores the significance of both the new production facility and the successful completion of ongoing certification work. This brings us to a defining moment for Russia's high-speed rail ambitions. The latest progress update illustrates how Russia's high-speed rail ambitions have moved decisively beyond the planning stage. Multiple train sets are now under construction simultaneously, component certification is advancing, and the supporting manufacturing infrastructure is nearing completion. Let's be real. There is still an absolutely massive mountain of engineering and testing work left to do before anyone actually buys a ticket. However, the project has reached a stage in which tangible progress can be evaluated through the completion of railcars, the expansion of industrial capacity, and the operation of active assembly lines. Russia will be one step closer to operating its first domestically produced serial high-speed trains on the prospective Moscow to St. Petersburg high-speed railway if current timelines are maintained. Make sure to subscribe to Altitude Addicts for more updates on this network as the first Griffon train sets commence certification trials in 2027. We thank the people who have liked and shared the videos and subscribed to the channel. We also thank the people who have hyped the videos.